Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a buzzword. It's a reality that is seamlessly integrated into our everyday lives. It's the invisible hand that curates our social media feeds, optimizes our energy consumption, and so much more. We're living in an era where AI is transforming industries and redefining what's possible. Today, we'll venture into this fascinating world of AI, examining its impact on key areas of our lives. We'll delve into how AI is revolutionizing social media, personalizing your online experience, and battling the spread of misinformation. We'll explore how AI is making waves in the energy sector, optimizing renewable energy sources, and driving efficiency. Beyond these, we'll also touch on how AI is woven into the fabric of many everyday applications. It's an exciting journey, and we're just at the beginning. Ready to explore the fascinating world of AI? Stay tuned. Ever wondered why the ads on your social media feed seem to read your mind? It's AI at work. Let's dive into how artificial intelligence is reshaping the landscape of social media. The first stop on our journey is content personalization and targeted advertising. Social media platforms are leveraging AI to analyze your online behavior, preferences, and interactions. This data is then used to curate a personalized feed for you, filled with content that aligns with your interests. Ever noticed how the posts you see on your feed seem to align with your recent searches or conversations? That's AI, quietly working in the background to tailor your social media experience. Now, let's talk about targeted advertising. Advertisers use AI to analyze your online activity, preferences, and demographics. This data helps them create personalized ads that resonate with you. It's why you're more likely to see ads for that new smartphone you were researching or the vacation destination you've been dreaming about. The goal of targeted advertising is to make ads more relevant and less intrusive, and AI is the secret sauce that makes it happen. But AI's role in social media isn't just about personalization and advertising. It also plays a crucial role in moderating content and combating misinformation. AI algorithms scan millions of posts, comments, and images daily, flagging content that violates the platform's policies. It's a never-ending battle against hate speech, graphic content, and fake news. While not perfect, AI has become an invaluable tool in maintaining the integrity of our social media platforms. To illustrate, let's look at an AI-driven social media campaign. The Do Not Disturb campaign by the World Wildlife Fund used AI technology to analyze users' social media activity and identify when they were most active online. The campaign then sent personalized messages during those peak times, urging users to turn off their devices and connect with nature instead. The result? A successful campaign that raised awareness about digital overload and the importance of reconnecting with the natural world. In a nutshell, AI is transforming social media into a more personalized, interactive, and responsible platform. It's helping us connect with the content we care about, while also protecting us from harmful content. And as AI continues to evolve, we can expect our social media experiences to become even more tailored and immersive. AI has indeed transformed the social media landscape, making it more personalized and interactive. AI is also making waves in the energy sector, driving efficiency and sustainability. When we think of renewable energy sources such as solar or wind, we often overlook the complex logistics and decision-making processes that go into harnessing these resources. AI, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and make predictions, is a game-changer in this space. Take smart grids, for example. These are electricity supply networks that use digital technology to monitor and manage the production and distribution of electricity. Here, AI steps in to predict energy consumption based on patterns and adapt the supply accordingly. This results in reduced energy waste and a more reliable power supply even during peak times. But the role of AI in energy management doesn't stop at smart grids. It also plays a significant part in energy efficiency. Buildings, both residential and commercial, are major energy consumers. AI can help optimize energy use in these structures, adjusting heating and cooling systems based on occupancy and weather patterns, for instance. This not only reduces energy consumption, but also contributes to a more comfortable living and working environment. AI also aids in predictive maintenance of energy infrastructure. Traditionally, equipment maintenance has been reactive or scheduled, both of which have their drawbacks. Reactive maintenance can lead to catastrophic failures, while scheduled maintenance often results in unnecessary work. AI can predict when a piece of equipment is likely to fail and recommend maintenance only when needed. This approach not only saves time and resources, but also prevents unexpected equipment breakdowns. To bring this all to life, let's consider the example of a smart energy management system. This system uses AI to monitor and control all energy-consuming devices within a building. It collects data from sensors, learns usage patterns, and adjusts systems for optimum energy efficiency. It can even predict future energy needs and adjust accordingly, taking into account factors such as weather forecasts and occupancy schedules. With AI, we're moving towards a more sustainable and efficient energy future. This technology, with its ability to learn from past data, predict future trends, and make informed decisions, can help us make the most of our resources, reduce our carbon footprint, and pave the way for a greener planet. But that's not all. AI is also simplifying and enhancing our daily tasks in myriad ways. Let's dive into a few examples, starting with healthcare. AI is playing a pivotal role in transforming the medical landscape. Machine learning algorithms, a subset of AI, are used to predict disease progression, customize treatment plans, and even assist in complex surgeries. For instance, an app called Ada acts like a personal health guide. It uses AI to analyze symptoms and guide users towards appropriate care, revolutionizing the way we approach personal health. Now, let's shift gears to finance. AI is revolutionizing this sector by automating complex tasks, detecting fraudulent transactions, and providing personalized financial advice. Apps like Clio and Plum employ AI to analyze your spending patterns and offer tailored saving strategies. AI isn't just about fancy robots and self-driving cars, it's also about helping you save for that dream vacation. Speaking of cars, let's talk about transportation. AI is the driving force behind autonomous vehicles, but it's also streamlining everyday commuting. Apps like Waze use AI to analyze traffic data in real time and provide the fastest routes. Moreover, AI-powered predictive maintenance in public transportation can anticipate and prevent breakdowns, making our journeys more reliable and efficient. These are just a few examples of how AI is intertwined with our daily lives. And it's not just about convenience or efficiency. AI is about empowering us, assisting us in making informed decisions, and ultimately improving our quality of life. It's about a future where AI is as commonplace as smartphones are today. Remember, AI is not confined to the realms of sci-fi fantasies. It's here, it's now, and it's intertwined with our daily grind. It's the silent assistant that helps you navigate traffic, the vigilant guardian that keeps an eye on your health, and the smart advisor that helps you manage your finances. From booking a cab to diagnosing illnesses, AI is indeed making life easier. While AI offers numerous benefits, it also brings along its share of challenges and ethical considerations. One of the most pressing concerns is data privacy. As AI systems become more adept at processing and analyzing data, there's a heightened risk of sensitive information being misused or falling into the wrong hands. Then there's the issue of AI bias. These systems learn from data, and if the data they're fed is biased, the AI's decisions and actions will reflect that bias. This can lead to unfair outcomes in areas such as hiring, lending, and law enforcement. It's clear that as AI continues to evolve, it's crucial to address these challenges head-on. This means developing AI in a way that respects privacy, promotes fairness, and ensures transparency. It involves everyone from policymakers to tech developers to the users themselves. Responsible and ethical use of AI is crucial as we move towards an AI-driven future. AI is not just a technological innovation, it's a transformative tool that's reshaping our world. We've journeyed through its influence on social media, the energy sector, and other everyday applications. We've seen how AI is personalizing our online experiences, revolutionizing energy management, and simplifying daily tasks. The transformative potential of AI is immense. It's not just about the changes we're seeing now, it's about the future. Experts predict that AI will continue to evolve, integrating even more seamlessly into our lives. We may see AI driving innovations in sectors we've yet to explore, creating solutions to problems we've yet to confront. We've also considered the challenges and ethical considerations that come with this revolution. As we move forward, these discussions will be crucial to ensure that the AI revolution benefits all of humanity. As we embrace the AI revolution, the possibilities are endless. Stay curious, stay informed, and watch this space for more insights into the world of AI. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the world of AI. We appreciate the time you've taken to dive into this transformative technology with us. Your engagement and curiosity are what drive us to delve deeper into these topics. We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What are your views on AI's influence in our daily lives? How do you foresee its future? Let's engage in a discussion and learn from each other. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with others who might be interested. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated on future content. Your support helps us create more insightful videos like this one. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's continue exploring the fascinating world of AI together. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep discovering the endless possibilities that AI brings to our world.